A3 coming in non-runner. All of a sudden it stopped, it's broken down, and we're gonna have it investigated to see exactly what has gone wrong. It seems that the car has stopped while it was driven. Now we're having warning lights on. As engine management light is flashing, the glow plug light is flashing. We're gonna run a diagnostic now to see what faults. Customer has also noticed that there was some oil leak under the gearbox. We're gonna scan it now to see what faults we're having in the systems. Okay, so we have function restriction due to insufficient pressure built-up. The way that this fault is described, it points to a problem onto the Mechatronic, so Mechatronic is not building pressure for whatever reason. Now, what we also found here, we have removed the airbox, and we have found the cover on the box here. This is I don't know if it's visible enough. Can you see how the cover has been bent? What we're gonna do, we're gonna strip to check further, but it looks like the accumulator, pressure accumulator in the Mechatronic has literally exploded. We're gonna take it up in here and check that off. Getting the car up in here to have it checked from underneath. We already see oil drips. Still some oil left here. This the system is pressurized here. Normally you should not meant to remove the cover. We only remove it to see it inside, but this points really to a complete Mechatronic unit. As the unit comes with pressure built into it and is not a serviceable item in a garage. We're removing now the last bolt. We have locked up the clutch fork with a special tool. And once we're gonna have the whole Mechatronic. Now, in order to get the Mechatronic off, the gear levers have to be selected in a service mode, so they line up in order to allow the Mechatronic to come out. Those forks over there. And this is the tool that we had to use to set up to pull the levers, so you allow the Mechatronic to come out. Now, having it on the bench, we can see it better. I'll literally see the cover. It's been bent, so the accumulator inside is like probably exploded under pressure. can be seen, this is not serviceable, because when this is all installed, the pressure, it's all pressurized, as you can be seen. This is moved out of place. Probably the thread has gone into the housing and allowed the accumulator is being pushed out, again saying by the big pressure that is operating on that. There's no serviceable item, so it looks like the thread is gone anyway. And at this stage, this is going to be a new Mechatronic. In here, just notice, you can see the housing is literally cracked. As it see, and yeah, he has pushed the accumulator pressure reservoir. He has pushed it out. So yeah, definitely no. This part can't be repaired. Definitely a new Mechatronic is going to be it'll be required in order to solve this. We have removed the accumulator, which was already exploded. Basically, this is a pressurized cylinder. The circlip came off, and this piston literally came out. Let me see if I can pull it out again. Normally in there, this piston is pressurized and it's held with this clip, which it came out and literally put a lot of pressure onto the housing, and it cracked. This is not a serviceable item, as it says in here. We only open it because we have found the cover and this was already exploded, but otherwise this will be a pressurized cylinder. All pressure has been lost now, but in here, this is gonna be a new Mechatronic now.